Today, in this factory tour, we will see the process of manufacturing razor wire into a large coil. Let's start. First, steel sheets with razor-sharp blades are selected for the raw material. Then, the steel sheet coils are loaded onto the machine to uncoil. Next, the hardened steel sheets are fed into a machine. Here, the machine punches the sheets to cut them into razor blade shapes. After that, the razor tape is tightly wound around the multiple wooden wheel drum. Now, all coiled wheel drums are loaded onto the frame to open them, and the razor tape is joined together. Then, the razor blades are attached to the galvanized wire. Here, the machine easily unwinds the razor tape and securely clamps the galvanized wire. Once the razor blades are attached, the wire is wound into coils using machinery. Finally, the coiled concertina wire is wrapped and packaged for safe storage.